The way we communicate with animals is mystic. The wild deer or eagle who appears seemingly out of nowhere is a simple sign. The mammals who suddenly appears and play with us is another proof that our connections to nature is real. In this video, you can see how I approach and how I play to the squirrels and chipmunks. I gave foods and I tried to interact with them. It is an amazing experience ever. I really love nature. Try to feed them again through my pen. Oh, I'm so scared, but I'm still trying my best. I really want to catch their attentions. You can also see the birds are starting to come and starting to interact with me. And I feel like I'm talking to nature. It is a proof that my way of communicating is working and quite effective.
Let it touch you. No, no. He's just gonna touch with his nose. He's on the other side. Other side.
You're gonna bite me?
No, no.
Sure?
Yeah.
Shucks, almost there. I'm scared.
Let it touch you. It's okay. Look.
No venom?
He's not. No, no, no venom. Look at this bird. Yeah. Can you see them?
Don't be shy.